I'm going to do an install video on how to install this on the back of the Jeep Wrangler JLU. Same process for the JK. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol, 70%, a rag, a pair of scissors, and some tape. First of all, I'm going to take this one off. So first, I go in here and I pick at the edges. On my windows, I don't put clear laminate over top, the optical clear. Now once you have the old one off, then I clean it with rubbing alcohol. This is one of my trail rags. I call it a trail rag that I embroider. It's a microfiber. You can find these on my website. Same with the hat. It's called a shameless plug. So now I clean all the dirt off. You don't want to use Windex because Windex will put a film on your glass. And then once that film's gone, then what's your decal holding on to? So now I'm going to take my graphic, tear off a little piece of tape. Just going to be a holding. This is oversized. So you can see how much, there's the window. There's the window. So you center it where you would like to have it. Put this piece of tape on here. Make sure it's all level. If you have one on the other side already, go over there and look and see where you set it up. Now, I go ahead and take a long piece of tape. I do this in half. You don't have to put that second tape on there. I just felt like there was a little movement. So make sure everything's good. This is the vinyl. If you see this, don't worry about it. That's just all the ink going through onto the paper. This is trash. In case any lint from the paper hit the window, go ahead and just wipe this down. Now basically I just start in the center. I'm feeling for any of it to wrinkle up on me. For me, this side is the easiest. It's the second side where it's not my dominant side. Take your tape off. Again, take your paper. Make sure you don't step on that, that'll be really slick. So I kicked it under the Jeep. Now this graphic I put together. Now right here I formed a bubble. Slowly pull it back. I got this at kind of an angle from the window. Now I gotta pause you because I forgot one critical thing, and that's my knife that I use to trim. Now I got my knife. It's a razor knife. It's super sharp. Just takes a little point. Make sure that you rub these edges in really good. when you're cleaning, these edges are important. You can add some heat, don't do a whole lot of heat, but you can add some heat to this to help it adhere. If it's a super hot day out, sit it out in the sun and let the sun hit it and rub it in, especially these edges. And then that's it. Enjoy your new graphic on your Jeep. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and I'll get back with you. Thank you.